This is our family affairs. I think better let it to me only. No need to explain.
But whether this in the
No,
law,
you see, this is not the election time. Election is another 2 years away. A time will come and we will speak on that behalf. Not now.
these 2 3 is it true?
You
Anything?
see, I have seen some report and some of the news from which news media. I will tell them to apologize because you see, why they should write wrong with anything. Me and Sir Prestone, we are very, very united. We are one. The questions of dispute, which is next to impossible. Me and Sir Prestone and Conrad we are one. And yes, I've seen some news right which is there is Cold War. I'm telling you, which is sad to see all this. So kindly clarify it.
Well, sir,
No Cold War at all between anybody also. We are living as a one big and happy family.
some of the MLAs, is it true?
You see, this is not the time to talk about ticket. Yeah, 2.5 years ago election, and some of the other political parties who want to join NPP, I should tell you, 2 years there will be a lot of change. But as of now, we have got no plan not to be together to any sitting MPs. This is not the time to talk election. Now is the time to talk for diplomats. Okay, when election time comes, that is a different question.
But after the
As of now, everybody is happy. Yes, maybe there is scene here and there, but everybody is happy.
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application to the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).